Hello guys, this is your host Mirza. In this video, I'll be providing you knowledge about Western Union. Basically, on August 2020, a statement was published by the team of AdSense. As you can see at your screen, the girl named Sonia Hernandez came up with a notification regarding the removal of Western Union from Google AdSense. As you all know that Western Union is one of the payment method that is provided on the Google AdSense. It is one of the facilities in those countries where people cannot get the payment through banking, or it is a facility for those people who don't own a bank account. So she came up with a posting in which she claimed that the Western Union system would be removed from Google AdSense before 2021. I have seen many people asking on YouTube, on different groups on Facebook regarding the alternate method. So I came up with a solution. Basically, this video is for India and Pakistan, as most of the Indians and Pakistani people are facing issues in getting AdSense payment, because usually they took the payment from Western Union method, but now they cannot do so. So I gathered some knowledge regarding this, and now I'm gonna put some knowledge regarding the bank accounts and the tax system of the bank accounts, which would be the best bank for you to get the AdSense payment. First of all, I would like to clear this that if you have verified your Google AdSense account on someone else's passport or CNIC or identity card or whatever, it doesn't mean that you need to insert that particular person bank account. Okay, you can choose anyone bank account, you can choose anybody bank account. There is no restriction in that, so you don't need to worry about it if you don't own a bank account. So what's the next part is what bank to choose for receiving your AdSense payment. So basically, I'm gonna show you a Word document in which, as you can see, that I have listed down some banks of Pakistan as well as India that can be selected for taking the payment of Google AdSense without any problem or issue. So according to me, for Pakistanis, the first bank should be UBL, which is known as United Bank Limited. As I have heard and I have checked the prices, they have charged you 500 total tax amount on the amount you own from Google AdSense. Okay, now let's move to Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered Bank usually charge 1000, as they have some international remittance fees. Like, it could be much more than this, I'm not sure, the price always vary, but it is one of the bank that supports Google AdSense payments. Now we move to the third part, which is Mizan Bank. Mizan Bank is basically toppest bank of Pakistan. It's getting a lot of reward and earning. Basically, it's in the trending list, Mizan Bank. So same tax system of Mizan Bank, 1000 rupees. HBL, Habib Bank Limited, same tax system. So most of the people prefer UBL for AdSense payments, but these payments are not that much confirmed. Okay, so don't rely on this, but I'm just giving you the list of the top banks. Now if you see list of banks in India, the first bank would be preferable is HDFC Bank, Housing Development Finance Corporation, and the second bank is Axis Bank. Third bank is IDFC Bank, Infrastructure Development Finance Company, and the fourth bank is obviously State Bank of India. So these are the banks which are being supported by Google AdSense, you won't face any kind of payment issues. On 21 of the month you will receive your payment. So guys, trust me, you need to choose and select these banks to face less problems in getting your AdSense payment. And that's all from my side. If you got any questions, any queries, anything, you can contact me on Telegram. I'm there always. That's all from my side. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day.